Hey, my name is Andrew. I am a construction worker in the city of Minneapolis, and just giving these things a quick review. I've been wearing 3-year-old boots here for quite a while, and I was about to retire them, but I figured I'd give these guys a try, and I think I'll wear these boots for another 3 years. They really are comfortable. They go in well, and yeah, I would recommend them.